Hey y'all, it's your girl Shonda of Pretty Face Plans back with another planner related video. Today I got some happy mail, and this happy mail comes from the Jewel box, and have two orders. One is my subscription, so the actual Jewel box, and then the other one is a sticker set I ordered. So if you're interested in seeing this small haul from the Jewel box, just keep watching. Okay, so what I have here, I'm gonna do this small order first, just a separate order. This is, I believe it was called the I Am collection, and came in this cute little envelope. I'm keeping this paper. I'm gonna use this paper in a spread. It is too cute to just throw away. Cute, cute, cute. Then you have this sticker on the box that says be gentle with yourself on your self-love journey, and I'm gonna open this very slowly so I can keep that sticker for journaling. And then let's pull out and see what we have. So it was called the I Am Dolls and Journal Sticker Meme Kit is what I purchased. Kind of order. So then I got a couple of freebies in here. So this was not part, but she sent this anyway. It says Fall Essentials, and it has Lily on it, and with her things that are essential for fall. Then this one is another little card. Oh, I didn't know it had something on the back of it. So let's see. Fall Essentials, and on the back it says, just as autumn leaves fall from trees, gently let go of anything that is not serving you. I love that. I got to figure out how I can use this, because I want to have this side, but I also want to be able to see this side. So if you have any ideas, what would you do with this? I don't want to tape it down to something, because then I can't see this side or I can't see that side. Any ideas? Okay, and then this one says Queen, shh, Queen, and has a little girl lying on her bed, and on the back it says a note. Hi Queen, my name is Alicia Jewel. My friends call me Lily. My birthday is April 24th. I am a true Taurus, and pink is my signature color. Me too, girl. I love pink. On any given day, you can find me with my B6 planner and a pouch full of stickers. I love to plan with the Jewel Squad with a glass of wine and dance hall music playing in the background. Then I can also slow it down with some gospel and classic R&B to set the tone of the evening. Push us through the crafting session. It helps me cut my papers and use my stash if we do it together. After a night of planning, I enjoy a good plate of beans and rice, potato salad, and plantains. My self-care days include watching my favorite show, Martin, or my two favorite movies, Eve's Bayou and Waiting to Excel. Every day I'm learning to love myself more, and I'm constantly growing and evolving to be the best version of myself. On my journey so far, I've come to learn to use more love than hate, especially during challenging times, and to always be gentle with myself on my mental wellness journey. And I look forward to helping you reach milestones on your wellness journey through planning, crafting, and journaling. Peace and blessings. Oh, that is so cute. I feel like I know more about the person I'm purchasing from. Okay, and then this one says warm and cozy. Cute little winter pattern right there, and it says winter is a season of recovery and preparation, and that is so true. You just kind of go into hibernation and come out in the spring as a beautiful butterfly. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so those were the cards that were extra in the order I did. Then this is the journal meme. So you get the dolls from the I Am collection, and they say you get these quote boxes. I am loved, I am open to receive, I am loyal, I am strong. Okay, so then we have Maya, and her word is accept. Tish, her word is love. Lauren, her word is forgive. Does Lauren have a... Lauren doesn't have a face. She has her eyes and her lashes, but no nose or mouth. That's different. But forgive. Then Tish and Maya, they are too cute. Misha is adorable too. Oh my goodness, her face is so cute. And then the whole reason I wanted this kit was Miss Ebony, because this girl reminds me of my daughter. She looks just like my daughter, whose name is Amani, which Amani means peace in Swahili. So I had to have her for that reason. Okay, so those were those dolls, and that's all I got. It was just my first time trying out an order from Isis Ella Jewels, and just a regular order because I do have a subscription box. So the subscription box is called the Jewel Box. It is a bi-monthly box. This is the second one that I have gotten, and so I've seen sneak previews of it, but I am opening this for the first time right here with you so you can get my true reaction. I shouldn't have looked at the sneak peeks though, because I already know what's going to be in here. So you get the little box, you open it up, and it says it's your time to shine here on the inside. You still have another one of those be gentle with yourself on your self-love journey stickers that I'm trying to get the box open. I mean, get the tissue paper open without tearing my sticker. And I did it. And then let's just take everything out. Leave that tissue paper in there and move the box out of the way so we can see what we got. We will start with, it's a big bag. We will start with the papers. So you get this sheet of leopard print vellum. I already know what I'm going to do with this. It's going to go in my planner and just be a little cute divider kind of dashboard thing. I think I'll probably layer it with something, but it is so cute. I love leopard. I love pretty much anything leopard. And honey, so next you get this sexy piece of paper. It's satin sheets just remind me of sexy. It's just sexy to me. So this is a sexy piece of paper to me. Red satin sheets. This is a deep red satin sheet. It's just sexy, baby. I'm just gonna say it's sexy to me. Okay, so it's two-sided paper. So you get the sexy satin, and then on the other side you get these stripes. And it coordinates well with each other, but I'm gonna figure out something I'm gonna do on this side with the satin, and then I'm gonna do something different with the stripe pattern here. And I love the colors of those stripes. Then you get some leopard paper that matches the vellum that came in this kit, and then on the other side you get this gorgeous pattern, which those two will, oops, I knocked something down. Those two will coordinate with each other as well, like that. Like if you tore this piece and then layered it on top of there or something like that. Then next up you get another gorgeous set of paper, this one here, with these little rhombuses on them in different colors and angles. And then on the back side, this like pebble leather look. And again, they look good together, these two sheets. You can coordinate those. Okay, what else was in the kit? You get some, let's go to this thing. You get this notepad. The notepad has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so you can circle what day it is, write the date, you can write your affirmation, you can write today I will, so something you will accomplish, and then your elevated thoughts. I'm not sure about what I would put on this elevated thoughts thing. I'm gonna have to do some research, get in the Facebook page for the Jewel Box and see how people are using that so I can figure out what elevated thoughts am I gonna put in there. I'm trying to become more consistent with my journaling, so maybe that'll come to me as I develop those journaling skills. So yeah, a paper pad, and it's pretty thick. Looks to be about 50 sheets. So you got that, your vellum and your papers. Let's go to these little journaling cards or quote cards. This one says, I'm coming for everything I deserve. They're on a thick kind of cardstock like paper. This one says, sometimes everything is going wrong for the right reason. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. That one to preach. I will proceed with caution, but not with fear. Never give up. Let today be the start of something new. Love this one. Shift so hard you have to reintroduce yourself. Yep. Love that. Embrace all that is you. And so the journey begins. Now this one right here, this is my all-time favorite. I love this. Never address shade from trees with no fruit. You can't throw me no shade with your bare tree. No ma'am. Okay? Love that one. And then this one says, part of the spiritual work is remembering who you are when triggered. Very good. I can see myself journaling about all of those things. Okay, so then you get some dolls, and this was a collaboration with Wildly Noted. So you get this little journal meme card with some of the dolls from the Embrace Your Journey collection. 4 of those dolls, and then you get some of the same quotes that were on the journaling cards. I believe these journaling cards were by Wildly Noted. And so that's the collaboration. Then you get these dolls, the Embrace Your Journey dolls. That's all 4 of them. And here they are individually. Sasha, Tiffany, Jade, and Diane. Then finally you get one weekly kit with some these are full boxes, a small doll, 2 small dolls, both of those dolls. Well, this doll is, who is she? This doll here is Sasha. And then this is an entirely different doll. So I don't know her name. Then you have Jade in this full box, and then Tiffany in this full box. You have some headers to do today, notes, and another to do. You have a couple of quarter boxes, a notes header, a bill due sticker, some jewel icons that you can use for bullet points, and then you have your days of the week headers, and then just some decorative pieces over here. So all in all, it's a beautiful kit, a beautiful subscription box. Here are the journaling cards, the 4 dolls, and then all 4 of them together, and your kit, and your notepad, and then your lovely papers. And I'm just gonna, your vellum, your sexy satin, your stripes, more stripes, leopard print, leather, and your rhombuses, or rhombi. Yeah, I guess that's how you would say plural. And little journaling cards. The dolls. It's the dolls for me. It's the dolls for me. So that, oh, put a little notepad on there. That's my jewel kit. And then my other little stuff. So yeah, that's what I got from the jewel box this month. I'm in love with the collection. I cannot wait to play with my things, make me some dashboards and quote cards and journal pages, all kinds of good stuff. So let me know what your favorite thing from the box was. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, hit that red subscription button and ring, hit that great notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you'll get a notification, guys. It's been real. It's been fun. I hope it's been real fun. See you in the next video. Bye.